8 ways to make free money in Web3.
The gossip is live!
So Nkechi said she's new in Web3 and she doesn't know what to do to start making money. And if you are just like Nkechi, don't worry, this video is for you. Because I'll be unveiling 8 hidden ways you can make free money in Web3. But watch the end because number 7 and number 8 will make you a millionaire in Web3. But before then, Nkechi, come closer. Good. Now number 1 in our list is airdrop. Now what is airdrop? Airdrop is a free distribution of new token or coin to numerous wallets address. Typically blockchain project as a marketing tactics to boost awareness, build community and encourage adoption. Before Jessica will just come and tell us that she thinks it's Apple airdrop. No, it's not Apple airdrop.
Bombastic side eye.
Now there are basically 3 types of airdrops and leave the rest for me for now. So we have standard airdrop, we have bounty airdrop like the one Telegram did, and we have exclusive airdrop. And they want me to explain further on this type of airdrop, put it down on the comment section. Yeah, the second way you can make free money in Web3 is through Zilli contests. In fact, this is one of the best places I started my Web3 journey and where I made my first money from. It's actually paying. So yes, what is Zilli contest? Before you think they are going to talk about fashion parade, no, sorry, I know how we do it here. Now Zilli contest is basically commenting, retweeting, all those simple tasks you can do, creating posts on socials for a Web3 project and get paid. That's what they do in Zilli contest. Now here you can get from $10 to $100. I know you like that, right?
Allow me to take.
So you want to start your journey with Zilli contest, drop a comment in the comment box. Then I'll send you a video to guide you on that. Here is the third one is community events. Here we are talking about events like trade contests, meme contests, if you can create me hackathons and even giveaway. So what you basically do is you have to participate in these things and you are given money. Free money with 3. So with this we're expecting at least $20 to $500. Now we have the food man in the table, play to earn gaming. Of course I know Emeka will like this one. Here you play Web3 games like Asia's Infinity, then win digital pet tokens, etc., stuff like that, then sell them and get your cash. Very simple. Damn, I know Emeka will like this. Making money while you have fun. Nkechi, do well to share this to Emeka. So the fifth one is DeFi yielding farming. Now Nkechi, what happens here is that if you have excess money, instead of carrying the money to your saving box for it to be there and nothing is being added, not the same money, you remove it again, you bring it to decentralized finance applications like Nodo AI, Uniswap and Avi, and they'll borrow your money, then they'll pay you interest called yield. Then you don't have to stress yourself again. Don't be sitting down and the interest will be coming in.
Are you kidding me?
Now here is the big man, crypto trading.
Hope you know what is trading.
Tell me.
Okay, so what you have to do here is that you have to basically buy and sell cryptocurrency when price spike or when price dip and make your money. But there are levels to this trading, you know. Before I get you to come and drop my clue. Here we have spot trading, we have futures trading, we have arbitrage trading, we have copy trading, we have degen trading.
If you want me to talk more on this, use the comment section. Wisely.
Now the baba of them all, the senior boss, we have the Web3 jobs. What you have to do is simply have a skill in this one. Just have a skill, either technical or non-technical skill. Then now what you have to do is to go to Web3 projects that need this your skill, and you will be paid for rendering your services. Over you can make $5,000 up. And you want me to talk more about Web3 jobs, drop a comment in the comment section. So far so good, Nkechi. I believe with this you will not be found wanting again.
This video was helpful to you. Do well to hit the subscribe button and on that notification, like and follow Web3 Gossip for more content like this.